A sorry state of affairs. No good debates are happening in the parliament, said the Chief Justice of India while addressing an event organized by the Supreme Court Bar Association to celebrate 75 years of independence. The Chief Justice of India strongly criticized the functioning of the parliament.
We see the legislations, lot of gaps, lot of ambiguity in making laws. There is no clarity in laws. We don't know what purpose the laws are meant, which is creating lot of litigation, inconvenience and loss to the government as well as inconvenience to the public.
To put things in perspective, while India celebrated its 75th Independence Day, 20 bills were passed in the parliament only with a voice vote, without any debate.
हिंदुस्तान का पूरा ऑपोजिशन आज यहाँ खड़ा हुआ है। हर पार्टी के नेता हैं और हमें यहाँ आज क्यों आना पड़ा? क्योंकि जो हमारी आवाज है उसे पार्लियामेंट हाउस में दबाया जा रहा है।
N.V. Ramana, addressing the event, said that today the purpose and objective of the bills are not clear due to lack of discussion and deliberation, unlike earlier when constructive debates happened in both the houses. He further added that the legislative part of the law is not clear due to lack of debate, thus putting extra pressure on the judiciary to implement or interpret the new law. The opposition has been demanding the parliament to discuss issues like Pegasus, farm bills, China, COVID-19, but the ruling government has been running away from debates, calling them non-issues. The Chief Justice of India also highlighted the need of lawyers in the parliament and public life, and gave examples of Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel, Pandit Nehru and Babu Rajendra Prasad, who with their legal background led the struggle to freedom. It is a shame that while on one hand we celebrate our 75th Independence Day, on the other, voices are being suppressed. Voice of the opposition, farmers, women, minorities, voice of India.